Welcome to week 2. Week 2 we will talk about brushing, so we'll click on week 2 brushing to look at our overview and our learning objectives for the week, which are to describe the overall brushing technique and to show how to properly brush. The tasks for the week are to read the PowerPoint and watch the video tutorial. After you watch the video tutorial, try to go in front of a mirror and practice the technique. Next, you'll have a discussion board. The initial post is due by Wednesday and the participation post is due on Sunday. And then the week 2 quiz is also due on Sunday. So we will go and look at week 2's module and read the PowerPoint together. Alright. So we'll click on week 2 PowerPoint. I already have it up. And we will talk about brushing. So the main focus on why we need to learn how to brush is so that we can remove the plaque. Plaque is the clear film of bacteria that sticks to our teeth. Like in week 1, we talked about the plaque, how it accumulates quickly and everybody has it. And so if we don't brush the plaque off, this can cause our gums to be red, swollen, and sore. So we need to brush so that we can keep our teeth. So here is an overview of the brushing technique. We need to brush 2 minutes straight. We need to brush twice a day, which is morning and night. And the proper technique is to hold the brush at a 45-degree angle. We'll brush in a circular motion, or we'll brush up and down, depending on which part of the tooth you're at. And remember to also, at the very end, brush your tongue. So this will be our step-by-step on how to brush. So step 1 is to hold the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle. So on the back teeth, you're holding it on the gum line. The toothbrush should always be facing the gum line. Those bristles should get a little bit underneath. And so the only difference is your front teeth right here. The front teeth, you should be brushing, it should still be at a 45-degree angle, but you'll be brushing in a different motion. And we'll go to step 2. So the back teeth and the front teeth on the outside, you'll be brushing in a circular motion like this. And then for the inside of your front teeth, which is here and here, you'll be brushing up and down. So you'll be brushing this way. Step 4 is to brush the tops of your teeth where you chew. A lot of the food and plaque like to get caught in between these little grooves we have in our teeth. And then step 5 is to brush for the full 2 minutes. And then lastly is step 6 to brush your tongue, and you'll brush from the back front. They also make tongue scrapers if you would rather use a tongue scraper than your toothbrush. And so remember, we are going to brush twice a day for 2 minutes. Once in the morning, once at night. If you would want to brush more, you can. It won't hurt you. And then we'll also talk about what happens if we don't brush the proper way. If we don't brush the proper way, then we won't remove all the plaque and the bacteria. And like what we talked about in week 1, if the plaque stays on your teeth for 24 hours, the plaque will harden and turn into calculus. And calculus is something that we cannot get off when we brush or floss. So that is the end of our lecture for this week. There is a video tutorial to watch that shows step by step everything that we talked about today. And then you can go in front of a mirror and practice. If you need any help or can't get the angulation right, just email me and I can respond through there and try to help you out a little bit. And don't forget to do the discussion board and the weekly quiz. So good luck this week.